Hey friends, we are here to do another bonus cash stuffing, and all of this money is money I have collected from selling things over on Facebook Marketplace. I have no idea how much it is, so we're going to count it up and we're going to see together. My guess is that it's more than $50, but less than $100. Again, I really have no idea. And the thing is, I don't know what I want to do with this, you guys. My first thought is always Mini Madness, but I do have some other money to do Mini Madness with that I'm going to be bringing you a separate video on. So yeah, I don't know. I'm thinking, I guess I'm just going to do go through my binders and do my regular challenges and kind of give those a little bump. We're gonna see how it goes as I go through things, but yeah, I really didn't have a plan. I could save this money for something else, but I just want to get it stuffed and also, you know, have a video for you guys. So I am pre-filming. Today is Tuesday, April 15th, but you're actually not going to see this until next week because I will be away. Ugh, look at that dollar. Gross. And I am going to have a cash stuffing and a savings challenge stuffing this week, so you're not going to see this video for a little bit, and I am on a boat somewhere, drinking a drink, maybe taking a nap, maybe in the pool, who knows. Okay, let's see how much this is. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 1, 10, 15, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. Exactly 140. Okay, wow, and this money is raggedy for sure. Let's start by going to our regular binder here and see what we want to do. Do I want to just do like one of everything? Maybe. Yeah, maybe. Let's do that. Okay, so we'll start here. This one's from Tracy over at Golden Girl Budgets. This was a freebie. And this I'm saving for my quarterly sewer bill. If I sound stuffy, it's because I am. But I actually think it's allergies. I don't think I'm getting sick. I think it's allergies. So who knows? Okay, let's see. This is a 7. This scratcher tool, I don't know. It's getting dull. It's like not working as well for me as it used to. So let's put $7 in. I guess I should have gotten the cash tray, but oh well. We're just gonna make do without it here today. And I usually don't like to put real cash in here, but because that's all I have, that's fine. We'll go with it. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 41. $41. So we are halfway there exactly, and I will need this money, I think, by the end of June. Okay, medical. This next challenge is from Ren over at Mischief Manage Budgets. It is her little card set, and it is so adorable, and I kind of hope I get a big number today so that we get one big number out of the way. Because I know I'm not going to have a lot of money for my regular savings challenge stuffing on Sunday. So let's see. A 6. Okay, well, not as big as I want it, but it will work. I'm going to put in $6. So 5 and 6, and I have been spending money out of the medical fund like crazy. Yesterday I brought my daughter to the doctor. I had to grab some medicine for both myself and her, some allergy meds. I have an appointment today and tomorrow. Those are each $30 copay each, so that's $60 right there. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, $28. I almost feel like I should go again. Yeah, let's do it. 4. Okay. Should I go even again? Yeah, let's do one more. Let me shuffle them because I feel like they're gonna all be in order. So let me mix these up a little bit. But yeah, so we have been using the medical fund like crazy. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. 15. So we're gonna put another 19 in, and I feel good about that. So I'm gonna take a 20 and then take out a 1. And we now have 25, 35, 40, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 47 in here. I don't know how much it adds up to, but I believe it's probably 120. So we're good to go there, and we are slowly approaching halfway with the cards anyway, not with the money that we saved so far. Okay, let's see what's next. Next, I'm saving for my dog. And this challenge comes from Budget with Ira. It is from The Life of a Creator Who Loves to Save, Marlene's newest savings challenge book. And this is a sticker challenge. Let's do 4 because I'm feeling a little bit rich today. So let's do 4. Each sheep is $5, so this is going to be a total of 90 when it's done. Let's put this little guy jumping over the fence. That's 2. And 3. And let's put this little guy laying down over here for 4. Put in 20 bucks today. That's a nice bump with this one. I need to try to kind of finish this challenge semi-soon because I cleared out Penelope's fund. 20, 35, 45, 50. So we have 40 more dollars to go. That is good news. Okay. Next, for the kids, we are working on The Birds and the Bees from Ren over at Mischief Managed Budget and Champagne over at Champagne's Corner. This is another challenge that is from Marlene's book. Let's roll a die. We left off here. It kind of wiped off. Let me grab a different marker. Let's see. Okay, so let's roll, and I'm almost all the way through once, so we're just going to kind of keep going around the board until I feel like stopping. So let's see, we got 1. We left off here, so we got 1. This marker doesn't work. We landed on the B. Nope. There we go. Okay, so okay, so the B, it says play Champagne's dice hive over here. So this says roll a d6, start at the top and work your way down. I feel like I've rolled one of these before, but maybe not, because I don't see a mark unless it wiped off, which it could have because this is like a glossy page. I don't think I'm gonna like save the amount. I think I'm just gonna keep rolling until I get one of these down here, if that makes sense. So we got a 1. Oh, and it does say land on a number with an icon, add $1. So that's $1 because this has a little icon. Then a 3, another icon. So another $1. 4 down here. 2. Okay, so we got $7. Hopefully that made sense how I did that. So here's 2 and 5. So let's see. $5, $6, $7, $8, $9. And let's roll one more time. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Any amount. Okay. Well, I'm just gonna do $1 and I'm gonna roll again. Let's see, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Any amount again. I'm gonna do $1. Oops. And I'm gonna actually go one more time. 3, 1, 2, 3, another $1. Okay, I'm gonna stop there. And I guess I don't really need to be marking these off, but it's fine. Hopefully I'll remember next time where I stopped. So another $1. Let's see how much we're putting in today, because I'm gonna grab that 10 for sure. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. $12 going in here today. And let's see what we have in here now. This is just saving for anything my kids might need, anything related to sports, school, something that I just buy them because whatever. 10, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, $30 in there. So that's pretty good. I don't take money out of their fund often, so it's a nice bump. Okay. Next, the consignment sale. We are starting our savings now for the fall sale. I don't know when it will be, so this is the sale that just happened. So I'm just going to leave that sticker there. And let's see, we have $25 left. It was actually, I want to say 40 or 65, because I took $20 or $40 out of that and put it into my wallet, to be honest. But that's okay. We still had some money to go back in here. So we're starting saving once again. These little hearts are from Ren over at Mischief Managed Budgets. And let's, 8. Okay, that's all I'm going to do. I was going to say let's finish off this one, but no thank you. So I'm going to pull a 10 in and then take out $2. All right, so now in here we have 20, 30, 1, 2, 3. So $33. And again, that is being saved for the fall sale. It'll probably be, I don't know, September, October. So we have a while yet. Okay, emergency. We're starting a new challenge. She said she could. Sushi Did. This is from Liz over at Liz and Less. It's a $100 challenge. And let's do the biggest number on here since I do have money. Let's do the 9. And let's put it right down here. I feel like I should do maybe even a second one, like a small one. Actually, I'm going to do the other 9. Well, there's a couple more 9s, but I have money today, so why not get 2 of the biggest numbers out of the way? So $18 is going to go in. My money's a mess. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. And again, I don't like to keep real cash in this one, but whenever I need real cash, I just come into my envelopes and switch things out. And, you know, so this money will come out eventually. Okay. Birthdays. The kids' birthdays are over, which is good. So I'm not trying to save a huge amount, but I always want to have something in my birthday fund. So let's see what we're going to get here. This is a $50 challenge. Let's maybe do a couple. 7 and 3. Perfect. So $10. We're going to put 10 in today, and then we'll just have 2 more to go on this one. Okay. I don't have a 10 and I don't have change, so let's hope I have 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I mean, come on. How perfect is that? All right, so we have 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 31, 32, 33, and 34. I need change because I only have 20s left, and I think I want to do my monthly. So where can I grab change? Let's see. What did I put in here? Like 18, so that's not enough. I don't think I have enough in there or there. Let's see if I have enough change in here. All right, here's 20 in 5s. I'm gonna take a 20 out. and that should work, hopefully. Okay, we are finished with this binder. Let's head over to the monthlies and maybe just put 5 in there. And then we will finish with the big challenges. So for the monthlies, I am using my Candy Miser to randomize where I'm going to put a little extra money each month. And this is called, This Is Your Year, I think. I don't even know the name of my own challenge, but it's a digital download available in my shop. These also, I have printable versions of these that are scratch offs, or like physical items, I should say, not printable, in my shop as well. And there's also like a book version. So, you know, just in case you happen to be wondering, but let's do $5, and then I will only have $2 left to do in my regular savings challenge stuffing, which will be wonderful. And again, this is just saving a little bit extra each month. This month in the randomizer, the Candy Miser, I chose Prime, Amazon Prime. And so that's just giving my Amazon Prime savings a little bump. I saved that for my Amazon Prime, wait, 5. I saved that for my Amazon Prime like subscription cost each year. I just paid it in March, so I'm starting now to save for 2026. So let's put in $5. And we now have 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, and 23. Every single month adds up to just $25. So it's essentially me putting 25 extra dollars in one of my funds every month, which is wonderful. Okay, last but not least, let's go to the big boys. We have $25, $35 left. I think I'm gonna put it all in vacation, because I just stuffed my Skelly book and I know I'm going to be stuffing it again very soon. So let's just put it all into here. So these are both from the Happy Mailbox Co. On Etsy. They're digital downloads. And what did I say? $25, $35. So let's do a 30 on here and a 5 on here, and then we will be good. So we're going to do a 5 on here, and then a 30. And then this is being saved up for my vacation in August. So that's our family vacation. We're going on a cruise. This is going to be most likely my spending money, because my husband is pretty much taking care of all of that cruise. Because I paid for basically all of the cruise we are going on this week. So it's an even split. So we have 20, 35, 45, 46, 47, $48. These together will be $444. I want to try to get 500 before we leave. So yeah, we have a good start. Okay, my friends, that is it for this one. Thank you so much for sticking with me and watching till the end of the video. I love you guys so, so much. Keep an eye out for the next video, which will probably be Mini Madness. And I hope you're having just an amazing day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.